Hi everyone, welcome back to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack. I'm Ratna, and today I'm super excited to share something that can truly make life easier and more enjoyable for us seniors. Have you ever wondered how a simple gadget could help you live independently with confidence? Or maybe you're curious about tech that makes daily tasks a breeze. Well, stick with me because today we are diving into the world of senior friendly gadgets that can transform your life. So let's get started. Living independently as we age is something we all cherish. It's about having the freedom to do things our way, in our own space, without relying too much on others. But let's be real. Sometimes tasks like managing medication, staying safe at home, or even turning on a light can feel like a challenge. That's where technology comes in. These senior friendly gadgets are designed to make life simpler, safer, and honestly, a lot more fun. So, whether you're someone who loves trying new things or you're helping a loved one stay independent, these devices can be game changers. From smart home tools to safety devices, we are going to explore how they empower us to live with confidence and comfort. So let's jump into the first category: smart home essentials. Let's talk about smart home gadgets that bring comfort and convenience right to your fingertips. First up, Echo Dot. This little device is like having a helpful friend at home. You just say, Alexa, play my favorite song, or Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes, and it does it for you hands free. It's perfect for seniors because you don't need to fiddle with buttons or screens. You can even ask it for the weather news or to call a family member. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about smart plugs, like the TP-Link Casa smart plug. You plug it into your outlet, connect it to your phone or Alexa, and voila, you can control anything plugged into it, like a lamp or a coffee maker, from anywhere in the house. No more getting up to turn things off. These are super easy to set up, and they have safe energy too. And here is another gem: smart thermostats like the Nest Learning Thermostat. It leans your temperature preferences and adjusts automatically. So your home is always cozy without you lifting a finger. Plus, you can control it with your voice or phone. These gadgets make life so much easier, especially if mobility is a challenge. Let's move on to the safety and security next. Now let's talk about something super important: staying safe at home. Safety gadgets gives us and our families peace of mind. First, let's look at medical alert systems, like the Lifeline Medical Alert System. You wear this pendant around your neck or wrist, and if you ever need help, like if you fall or feel unwell, you just press the button. It connects you to a 24/7 response team who can call emergency services or your family. I love how discreet and easy it is to use. Some even have fall detection. So if you can't press the button, it still alerts help. Another fantastic device is a video doorbell, like the Ring doorbell. It lets you see who is at your door without getting up. You can check it on your phone or tablet, or even talk to the visitor, like telling the delivery person to leave a package by the door. It is a great way to feel secure, especially if you live alone. And don't forget smart security systems like Simple Safe. These come with cameras and sensors that alert you if something off, like an open window. You can share access with family members so they can check in remotely. These devices make sure you are safe without feeling like you are giving up your independence. Okay, let's talk about gadgets that help with everyday tasks. First, an automatic pill dispenser, like the Life Fine automatic pill dispenser. If you are managing multiple medications, this is a lifesaver. You load it with your pills, set the schedule, and it beeps to remind you when it's time to take them. It even dispenses the right dose, so you never miss or double up. Some models can send alerts to caregivers if you skip a dose. How smart is that? Next, let's talk about grabber tools. These are so handy for picking up things from high shelves or off the floor without bending or stretching. They are lightweight, easy to grip, and some even have a magnetic tip for grabbing small metal items like keys. And for those who love reading but struggle with small print, an e-reader like the Kindle is perfect. You can adjust the font size, and it holds thousands of books in one slim device. Plus, the screen is easy on the eyes. These tools make daily life smoother and helps us keep doing the things we love. So there you have it. Senior-friendly gadgets that make independent living easier, safer, and more enjoyable. From smart home devices like the Echo Dot to safety tools like medical alerts and assistive gadgets like pill dispensers, technology is here to empower us. These devices aren't just about convenience. They are about giving us the confidence to live life on our terms. So I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these gadgets? Or is there one you are excited to explore? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack for more tips on thriving after 50. Share this video with someone who could use a little tech in their life. And let's keep embracing the future together. See you in the next video. Bye.